Ndi Umunyarwanda, I am Rwandan. A simple phrase, yet it carries the weight of our history and the promise of our future. In the aftermath of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi, Rwanda faced a monumental task: to rebuild a nation fractured by hatred and division. Ndi Umunyarwanda was born out of this necessity, a program emphasizing the importance of our shared identity as Rwandans over divisive ethnic-based politics.
Gahunda ya Ndi Umunyarwanda kuri njye nk'urubyiruko ni ukubanza kumenya ko njyewe na mugenzi wanjye turi bene Kanyarwanda.
After 1994, everything was a priority, and our people were completely broken. But we made 3 fundamental choices that guide us to this day. Choice 1, number 1, we chose to stay together. Choice number 2, we chose to be accountable to ourselves. Choice number 3, we chose to think big.
Ndi Umunyarwanda is something part of patriotism, first of all. Second of all, part of culture and values of a Rwandan.
Me, as a person who comes from both sides, Ndi Umunyarwanda gave me the one identity that I should carry on from then.
Mu bihe byatambutse amateka atubwira ko hari bitaragenze neza, bamwe batangira kwibona mu bice. Ariko uyu munsi bijyanye nuko turerwa neza, ubuyobozi bwiza butwibutsa ko turi abanyarwanda kandi duhuje umuco, duhuje ururimi. Twe nk'urubyiruko rero twumva kuba umunyarwanda ari cyo kintu twirata.
The transmission of memory and its preservation have been crucial in increasing understanding of our history. By learning from the stories of survivors, the youth gained a profound respect for the past and a commitment to a peaceful future. The youth also need access to research-based resources from an empowered community of researchers and practitioners.
From the survivors, I've learned that they have a lot of resilience in a way that they went through a lot, but they still get to live today. From them, I learned to be closer to my country and find ways to be a better future for this country.
Kubabarira kwabaranze, kubabarira ababiciye ababo, bibonamo nk'indangagaciro yo kumenya ko icyo abantu bapfana kiruta cyane icyo bapfa.
Through Itorero and national services, we teach the values of unity, peace, and our rich Rwandan culture and language as symbols of our unity. These programs instill in our youth a deep sense of community awareness and responsibility.
Itorero is where we learn values, where we learn to uphold our unity. It is beyond any type of education and any level of education you can classically have. So we will continue to engage the diverse categories of Rwandans through Itorero. First of all, to increase their awareness on issues they face, but also build on those values, the Rwandan values, the cultural values, and our unity to deal with those issues they face every day.
Reintegrating perpetrators has been a challenging but necessary step towards healing. Through programs focused on transformation and reconciliation, we strive to rebuild trust and foster forgiveness.
We have people who are still dealing with fresh wounds, and we will make sure that as the ex-genocide perpetrators return home, they are facilitated to live peacefully with those they find.
Healing from trauma is a vital part of our journey towards national unity. The Ministry of National Unity and Civic Engagement collaborates with its partners to reach out to affected communities with adapted tools that make an impact. These interventions help individuals and communities to heal, rebuild, and move forward.
We have a nationwide program called Dufatanye Urumuri, funded by USAID. And the main purpose of this program is to offer psychosocial support. We have therapy groups all over the 30 districts of Rwanda, in which Rwanda from different historical backgrounds meet to discuss their own trauma, wounds, but also discuss emerging issues to find solutions that really consolidate unity and social cohesion.
We look at civil society organizations as key actors in the journey of transforming our society. Civil society have different approaches. For example, in healing, which goes from engaging community members through spaces they establish, or even strengthening those spaces we establish as a government.
Our key priorities include genocide prevention, healing and community resilience, documentation of historical facts, and continuous research on national unity and resilience. These efforts are vital to ensuring a peaceful and united future for Rwanda. Staying together is more than a slogan. It is our pledge to each other and to the generations to come that we will stand united, remember our past, and build a future defined by unity and resilience.